Yo, first off, man, I want to say RIP to Aaron Carter, man. You know, you got the opportunity to talk to him, or talk with him quite a few times, and you know, we're gonna have videos planned and stuff like that. And it's sad what happened, and you don't know really what the cause was yet, but I'm sure we kind of like all assume what it was, you know. So take care of yourselves, guys, and you know, love yourself, and if you see somebody going through a situation like that, it's kind of crappy. You know, try to help them out. Anyway, RIP Aaron Carter, man. That one hit home. Appreciate you guys. Let's get on to the video. Back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Alright, boys, so today, first off, leave a thumbs up, comment down below. I love you guys so much. We got, I don't know how long this is gonna be. You probably saw the title. It's a They Claim video. The reason I say I don't know how long it's gonna be is because I don't believe it. If you've watched any of my videos before and I don't get what I expected in the package, I flip out and I shut off the camera. I think it's gonna be one of those They Claim videos, though. What is that? You guys have seen them? It's pretty much when a website or somebody claims that they are selling something, but it's actually not that. We test it. You know what I mean? This one right here, and I love you guys for this, because I actually got this idea from a subscriber that hit me up on the Instagram. It should be right there, or if I forgot, it's at NameBran Clothing on Instagram. Can't get rid of the clothing, unfortunately. I have the other at NameBran, but I forgot the password. My team won't help me out on that. So anyway, they sent me this link, bro. This piece is from Wish. Now, I got a big pickle to settle with Wish. I don't like them a lot. I don't like them a lot at all, actually. Every time I freaking buy off Wish, bro, I get fucked. That was a joke. They don't actually do that. That was alleged. That's not even alleged. Sorry, I don't know if I can legally say that. That was a joke. Anyway, this was $5 on Wish. I'll just show you the package right now. This thing right here. Horrible at packaging always. $5. This is the photo they had on it though. On the piece that we just bought for $5. I don't know how much shipping was. What does that look like to you? To me, it looks like it's gonna pass a damn diamond tester. Now, if they're getting a little crazy with it, maybe they put the wrong little photo on it and maybe it doesn't pass. Now, for $5, that would mean it's moissanite or real diamond. Both of those cost too much for the piece we're unboxing. I think it's a lie. So let's check it out. Unboxing engaged. Let's go. So we're looking at packaging, boys. We're looking at everything else. Packaging first off. All right, this thing is mangled. Packaging. We got a dust bag. This is a good sign. Sometimes they come in a little bit of plastic or something like that. That's it. That's not going to be moissanite. Now, the only thing that passes diamond testers, once again, moissanite and real diamonds. I don't know if that's actually factual, but that's from what I've learned over the years, and I've learned a lot, but then I forgot it all. That's what I know. We got the diamonds. Oh, I haven't even looked at this. Sorry. Forgot the main review part. So I was looking at what I bought today, so I'm not too surprised. It is a little heavy. Actually, it does glisten really well. I can't really tell with the lighting that I have right here. Like, it's dark where I am. You guys have the lighting, so I actually get a better view on camera. It does, it looks good, bro, but this and moissanite, we're just gonna chalk it up right now. This is not diamonds whatsoever, clearly. It looks alright, just a nice tennis chain. I mean, I can't really review it too much. Actually, a really nice one. One thing I like to look at with tennis chains too, boys. I'm wearing a real one right now. It's a lot smaller, but this one, yeah, it doesn't like crinkle. Sometimes they like fold and stuff. This is a really good one. Okay, so that's for $5. This ain't that bad so far. We got the diamond tester, boys. We're not gonna waste any more time. Let me just see the markings on this. That's another thing that unless you're an idiot, you're not gonna set anything on the chain like moissanite diamonds and stuff that it's like at least not silver. You know what I mean? And I'm not seeing any silver markings on this. That's not a good sign. Let's test it, boys. You know how the diamond tester works. I could have made this a TikTok short, but I just felt like talking to you guys today, to be honest. So we set it up. If you guys want to know if it's real or not, this is how we're gonna just kind of go off like this. This is what happens if it's real. It's the red, right? So, moment of truth, boys. Let's see if this is legit. $5. Honestly, could have been 30 after shipping. I can't remember, but I'm stoked. It's heavy enough. Not a damn thing. I didn't lose a lot of money, bro. I'm not that pissed. Thank you for watching. I'm a little pissed off, actually. I don't like freaking liars, bro. I'm gonna chill out. Alright, appreciate you guys for watching. That's it. The $5 wish thing, I wanted to give you a link. I'm not going to. I wouldn't even... Alright, peace. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. Why would you... Wish is just... I can't speak any... You never know what you're getting on Wish, bro. I'll just say it like that. Bye.